Hi everybody, Brian and Len here. We are in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. It is day 2 and we have decided to build a lightsaber. Well, Len has decided to build a lightsaber. He has chosen peace and justice because he's just a Jedi type. We came here, we had the 8 a.m. reservation. We came here first and are still gonna have to wait about an hour. And this is the line that is behind us. They have already cut the line off because they can only get through this amount of people in the 4-hour window. So if you want to do this, come here as soon as possible because it gets real busy. But we're gonna take you inside, show you the whole process. Lightsaber, you have to pay before you do it, and it is $215.49 with tax. Steep, but so many people doing it. They give you this boarding pass with a specified color on it.
Yeah.
If it is a long enough time in between when you pay and when you go in, they tell you you can walk around and just come back. Ours wasn't very much. They already started loading yellow into the holding pen, which is where we are now.
And then we have
Len
to wear this
has
pin.
to wear this pin to show that he is a builder, and I assume maybe what type he's building. Oh yeah, no, that little boy has a square one on, so they must be different for the different type of lightsaber.
It must be.
Cool.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Stormtroopers are on their way. We want to get in there before they show up. Take it out. Have a great adventure. Meet the stormtroopers.
Chopsticks, soy sauce. I guess this is the griddle. This is where we'll be cooking.
Welcome to Savi's workshop. We apologize for the confusion you may have seen outside, but since the first order arrived, things around the outpost have been a little bit tense. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We have been across the galaxy to abandoned outposts and forgotten planets, even the ruins of ancient Sith and Jedi temples. And we go to these places, we bring back these relics and artifacts. We bring them back for you. It might just look like junk to you, but to us, this is everything. That you may have seen outside, that we are in troubled times. I'm sure you've all heard the legend of a very famous Jedi named Luke Skywalker. Have you? And now we have a new Jedi in our midst. Do we know her name? Rey, yes, Rey. And she is our spark of hope. Luke and Rey answered the call, just as you have done now. And what did they do when they answered the call? They built themselves one of these. The lightsaber. Elegant and enigmatic. The lightsaber has been used by our greatest heroes and their darkest foes. Building a lightsaber is an art form. It creates a connection between the builder and the Force. Today, you are all going to make that connection. So, where do we begin? The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal harnesses and magnifies the power and energy of the Force. The color of your Kyber crystal will determine the color of your blade. We know there are many colors throughout the galaxy, but we have brought back 4 for you today. We're going to begin with a blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and today by Rey. Green. Once wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Luke Skywalker, and Master Yoda himself. Violet, rare and beautiful, once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And red, the crystal of power, Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and today, Kylo Ren. But that's enough history. Let's begin to write your story. Right now, I would like you all to close your eyes. I can see you. Close your times and envision, if you can, which color crystal is calling to you. Listen to your heart, for your crystal will become the heart of your lightsaber. When you see your crystal in your mind, open your eyes and receive your crystal. And after you have received your crystal, please place it on that little pretty tray that's right in front of you.
Oh my God,
Now, we're going to move on to building our hilts. The hilt is the center of control, and it also protects your hands from being vaporized.
Wow. It's heavy, dude. That's heavy.
Let's go over these components.
These are substantial.
You have your chassis that will house your tiger pistol. There are four sleeves. You will use 2 of those. You will use 1 of the emitters.
First, let's start with our chassis. Now we're going to slip the kyber crystal in here. So you're going to notice there's a spring where the lights are, on the side where the lights are. So go ahead and use that spring to slip the kyber crystal right in. Just snap right in. And once you've got it.
Ah, there we go.
The activation plates are marked on the inside.
Okay. So now, does everyone have that? Okay. So now we're going to move on to our activation plates.
Done.
Do the same flip. Okay. Once you do this, go ahead and select one of your plates. We're going to put 1 grip on the top and 1 grip on the bottom.
Oh.
And you should notice it should twist into your activation place.
Click in.
Yep, you got it. Okay.
Ah, got it.
Perfect. How are you doing?
Oh. Cool, that's substantial.
Ooh, geez, that is heavy. Very cool.
Go ahead and select an emitter. Your emitter is going to go at the open top of your lightsaber, and it's at the column 3 of your vectors. So you can slowly.
Like that. I think I like this
Yes,
one
it's
better.
the open part of your lightsaber. Yeah, you got it.
I think I like this one better.
And then once you have your emitter, go ahead and choose the pummel in the next column. That's going to go at the very bottom of your lightsaber. Oh, that's going to be 4. That's it.
It's like, it's got to weigh like 2 or 3 pounds.
Wait a minute. Could you flip these 2 grips for me?
Oh, sure. That one goes.
Yeah, I think I need some matches.
Oh, okay.
Room to place your hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. This is very dangerous, very sensitive work. It must only be performed by skilled and trained hands, like the ones we have here today. I have 2 of the best working for me.
We have a lot of practice, as you can see.
Well, we're not going to talk
They make perfect handle holders.
Savi makes his paper notes. Reminder, too.
Well done. Chosen not much with skill you have, chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda! Oh, the Force must be very strong in this room. But now it is time to forge the bond. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and in unison, we are all going to activate. Are we ready? Please step forward. Place your hand on the hilt. Take a deep breath. And activate. Raise your lightsaber. You have just built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith that came before you, you too have the power to change the galaxy. Remember it. All it takes is a spark.
your path, big time. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda, and thank you all for joining us here today. The lightsabers that you have built are as unique and extraordinary as each one of you. Now, in your hands, you hold tremendous power, and tremendous power must not be dropped on the ground. And who knows, maybe sometime we'll be telling your story. Tell the spies.
Right this way, builders.
That was Savi's workshop, and as Len just said,
Totally worth $200.
it
I would
actually
do
was.
this
It was.
again right now.
It's a great show,
Oh my God,
and
it's fantastic.
here is Len's Peace and Justice lightsaber with the purple kyber crystal.
Exactly.
It was very, very neat to watch.
I loved it.
I guess this is probably a good time to announce Len, as much as he enjoyed doing that, doesn't actually want this. So
I'll be giving it away.
we're going to give it away. Not exactly sure how we're going to do that quite yet. We are going to have to figure out things like, shipping and a contest of some sort. But stay tuned to our social media channels. You can have the actual lightsaber that Len Testa himself built at Savi's workshop. But thank you very much for watching.
Thank you for watching this. This is great.
Till the spire.
To the spire.